Right, we're installing our coil packs. The last part of the valve cover gasket and spark plug tube seals. Again, we got our white plastic over the openings in the valve cover. We're going to go to the trunk and retrieve our coil packs one at a time and reinstall them. And again, this is a 2001 Nissan Sentra with a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. First one. There we go. A small detail. Right here, this little plastic piece, when you're taking these apart, just gently press that down and pull backwards. And we're reinstalling now, of course. There, you heard it click. So, and we'll continue. And we laid these out in the order that they came out. We put new seals on each one, and we're reinstalling them. And we'll reinstall all our hoses, all our clips, and just like that. Thank you for watching.